Hi, this is Asad Shah, and today I'll be discussing about the random between function. So this function is basically used in statistics, and what this function does, it gives a random number between two specific number. So I have a small table over here. In column A, I'm going to put a number which could be any number. Let's suppose I pick 2 over here, and in the column B I'm going to put another number. Let's suppose I put 100 over here. So this is first serial number, and in the column C I'm going to use the random between function. So equal to sign, which indicates that the function has started, and random between, going to enter tab so that the formula is over here. I'm going to choose column A. I'm going to put enter F4 so that this column is freezed. Then I'm going to put comma over here and move on to the next column that I want to specify in the random between function, which is 100 from column B. And then I'm going to enter F4 again to freeze this column as well, and then bracket close, which indicates that the formula has closed. Now I'm going to put enter over here, and it will give me a random number. I'm going to list down and fill this serial number, and then I'm going to copy paste this formula by dragging the mouse over to the very side of the column so the cursor changes into a plus sign. Then I'm going to click on the left mouse button and drag all the way up till serial number 12, and in this way the formula will be copied on all of these cells. There is another way that you can do this, is you can control C and highlight all of these cells and enter control plus V. So one thing that you might have noticed, that there is always a different number that comes up when the function is refreshed. So if you want these numbers or you want to save these numbers, you can control plus C and copy them, or you can right click and copy the highlighted cells, and in any other portion of the worksheet you can right click and special paste them as values, so these values are not changed. So guys, this was all about the random between function. I hope this video has been helpful, and thank you.